What's going on, guys? Markie from the YouTube channel online certification course. Here I got a tutorial in regards to maintenance and repair workers. All right, come learn about the preventive maintenance, the in and outs about boilers and HVACs and so much more. Please make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Let me know what you're trying to get certified in. I can personally send you a link to check out. So let's get into it.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
This workforce development online certification program that guarantees process improvements and maximizes the operational life of your facility. Here you will have 28 courses you can pick and create your own combo package, or just go for the Building Maintenance and Management Series package. I will give you the rundown on some of the courses you can select from this program. What's going on? This is Markie Williams, and welcome to my YouTube channel online certification courses. Enjoy the tutorial. All the links will be down in the description below. Please make sure you like if this tutorial was informative. Please subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out on any training courses you may want to pick up. Also, comment below as to what you would like to get certified in, and I can send you a link personally to check out. So let's get started. As I have mentioned above, this is a 28 lesson online course in which you could select and pick what you need to be successful at your job as a maintenance and repair worker. And I will start off with the course in basic HVAC maintenance. You will learn how to perform preventive maintenance and the causes of common problems. In this course, you will learn the basic of HVAC systems, their operations and maintenance. This course also covers problems and solutions for window-mounted units along with preventive maintenance. By the end of this course, you'll be able to identify routine preventive maintenance tasks to be performed on HVAC units, describe common problems, their causes for HVAC units, explain the basic refrigeration cycle, identify routine preventive maintenance tasks to be performed on window-mounted units. Boiler operation. You will understand routine boiler operations, including shutdown and startup procedures. This course covers boiler system operations, including startup, shutdown of the system, and steam and hot water control settings. By the end of this course, you'll be able to explain routine operations of a boiler system, describe a typical boiler shutdown procedure, describe a normal startup sequence of a boiler system, identify steam and hot water control settings necessary for boiler operations. There will also be courses in boiler system controls, and boiler blowdowns as well. This program will go over chemical storage, learn safe chemical storage including separation and storage time limits. This course gives an overview of the procedures of storing chemicals and storage time limits, which will minimize accidents and increase life of the chemicals. In this course, you'll be able to identify the requirements for separating chemicals, describe the basic guidelines for safe storage of chemicals, identify various storage time limits of peroxide-forming compounds. The cleaning service. Learn cleaning service procedures as well as cleaning supply storage and management. This course covers common supplies and processes to cleaning facilities. At the end of this course, you'll be able to describe common cleaning supply storage and management, describe methods for cleaning facility common areas, describe general procedures for cleaning an elevator. In this facility management course, you can learn about building code, security, and disaster preparedness. This course covers the purpose of the building codes, the identification of sections of a facility that has specific code requirements, and defines the role of a facility manager as it relates to facility security. You will also identify types of physical security measures used to prevent unauthorized access to the facility and discuss plans related to preparing for a natural man-made disaster. By the end of this course, you'll be able to describe the purpose of building codes, identify sections of the facility that have specific code requirements, identify sections of a facility that have specific code requirements, identify types of physical security measures used to prevent unauthorized access to a facility, discuss plans related to preparing for a natural man-made disaster. In this course, you also understand risk management. Understand what can pose a liability problem for the facility, including fire risk. By the end of this course, you'll be able to define the term general liability as it applies to facility risk management, define risk management, identify methods of mitigating the risk of trips and falls by non-employees, explain the concept of the life safety code. This course will also go over the following: electrical distribution, electrical tools and test equipment, drywall, doors and locks, HVAC fundamentals, overhead door control, and much more. Many thanks for taking some time out to check my tutorial. All the links will be down in the description below. Please subscribe so you won't miss out on any training certification courses you may want to pick up. Please comment below done and I'll reply back to you. You can also check me out on the Facebook, Markie Williams, and there I also have an online certification page where you can like and follow as well. Please make sure you check out these certification courses as well that's floating around right here. Many thanks once again. It's Markie Williams, and I'm out.